Hi, I'm Josh with MarineMax in New York. We're here in Huntington checking out our new 2022 Sea Ray 250 SDX. It just came in stock. This boat's available for immediate delivery if you still want to capture those last days of summer and get on the water. As we step into the boat, this boat does have their gray interior. You notice you have a big sun pad back here, and this back bolster will move forward to give you more room. Or if you're underway and you want to face forward, it goes that way as well. As we step into the boat, some great features you'll notice. We have the Fusion stereo controls back here, so if you're hanging on the back of the water and you want to adjust the stereo, you just got to reach there. We have multiple charging ports on this boat. You have one here, and you have some additional over there. So really great spot to hang out for the day. Have plenty of power to charge your phones while you're listening to the radio. Another great option about this boat, ease of access battery switches as you're boarding. They're right there. Very simple to find, very quick to grab once you're stepping on board. Moving forward, this boat does have the Infinity woven vinyl flooring, which is a great option. A lot of customers choose this for the sea deck. I'm a big fan of this option right here. Moving forward, you also notice the rear bolsters on the port and starboard side also move forward. So if you really wanted to have a great space to entertain, put the tables out, al fresco dining, great spot back here to hang out for the day. And again, these will move back this way while you're underway. Stepping up to the cockpit, you have your analog gauges, great upgraded Fusion stereo with the subwoofer. Really nice audio package for this boat. Another unique feature for the 25 is the very large head you get, and there's also space to store. What's great about the 25 is having it under the helm station, which gives you a nice little walkway through the port side and maximizes the room underneath there. This is a sun deck, so you do have a large area here to hang out. Again, the great stone interior carries through. Looks fantastic, great color combination. This boat does have a white hull with a black bottom. It goes very well together. More speakers, cup holders, and charging ports up here in the front as well. And you also have a bow ladder for boarding from the front of this boat. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat that we have here in Huntington or inventory, please give us a call. One of our sales consultants will be happy to answer any questions you have. I'm Josh, look forward to hearing from you.